Hi everyone, in this video I will present a cross-cultural study of individual differences in music reward sensitivity. Listening to music is widely recognized as pleasurable behavior. However, an individual's ability to experience pleasure from it, also referred to as music reward sensitivity, can vary significantly. Previous studies indicated that people's affective responses towards music reflected wider sociocultural trends. The Barcelona Music Reward Questionnaire (BMIQ) is a widely used tool to measure music reward sensitivity. It has been published to date in 7 different languages and countries, but it didn't fit well in all countries, especially the Chinese version didn't reach acceptable quality of factor solution. So how does music reward sensitivity as measured by BMIQ differ across cultures? To better understand the specific cultural differences in how music reward sensitivity is conceptualized for individuals living in different cultural environments, we use some data-driven analysis to investigate responses on the BMIQ across cultures. In this study, we included two large samples from China and the US in our analysis. Multidimensional scaling analysis was used for visualizing the similarity and dissimilarities in two datasets, and we also used network analysis to provide information about the item structure and potential connections or pathways between items of the BMIQ. The results indicate that the US group scored significantly higher in most of the items and subscales than the Chinese group. However, the Chinese group scored significantly higher than their US counterparts, specifically in item 13, which is I like to sing or play an instrument with other people. The Chinese group also scored higher but not significantly in item 15, which is I can help humming or singing along to music that I like. These two items both assess the tendency to sing. We also found that music training has positive correlation with music reward sensitivity in both cultures. However, multidimensional scaling analysis showed a greater distance between participants with high and low music training in the US than the Chinese group, which suggested that music training exerts different patterns of influence on the US group and the Chinese group. Further network analysis indicated that music training puts more influence on music seeking and emotional evocation in the Chinese group, but has more influence on social reward in the US group. Network analysis also revealed distinct structure of music reward sensitivity between two groups. We found that US sample showed a single cluster of sensory-motor items, including dancing, singing, and music-induced movement, but the Chinese group showed two separate clusters, one for music-induced movement and vocalization, another for dance. Here are the main findings of this study. Firstly, we found that US group has higher music reward sensitivity than the Chinese group. Secondly, music training has positive correlation with music reward sensitivity in two cultures, but it exerts different influence on the US group and the Chinese group. Finally, the pattern of dance-related item is different between the two cultures. Specifically, Chinese group showed less tendency of dancing with music, but they sing more. These results underscore the importance of culture and music experience in contributing to individual differences in music reward sensitivity and highlight the need for further development of more comprehensive tool to measure music reward sensitivity across different cultures. Thanks.